Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Today, let's look at a very important question on completing ray diagrams for spherical lenses together. Here we have two options. Let's practice both cases so you can see exactly how the image is formed. Let's read part A first. Take a close look at this convex lens. Here, IM indicates the real image formed by the lens. Let's break down the answer for part A step by step. First, observe the initial setup for the convex lens. Let's place the original object OB inverted below the principal axis. Why? Because the real image IM is formed above the principal axis. Notice the position of the object on the principal axis. The object is located exactly between the principal focus F and the center of curvature 2F. Now, let's trace the first ray, traveling parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, this ray passes straight through the principal focus F. Next, we trace a second ray passing directly through the optical center O. As you might know, a ray passing through the optical center emerges without any deviation. Finally, observe where these two refracted rays intersect. This intersection point is exactly where the real image IM is perfectly formed. Awesome! Now, let's move on to part B. Here we have an object OB placed in front of a concave lens. Let's solve this together. Watch the concave lens setup on your screen. First, let's identify the exact position of our object. The object OB is placed exactly at the principal focus F of the concave lens. Let's draw an incident ray traveling parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, this ray diverges. If we extend it backwards, it appears to originate from the principal focus F. Now, trace a second ray directed towards the optical center O. This ray passes straight through without any deviation at all. Now, observe the point where the backward extension of the first ray and the second ray meet. They appear to intersect on the same side as the object, forming a virtual, erect, and diminished image. And there we have it. We have successfully completed both ray diagrams. Remember to practice drawing these standard rays. Thank you, and happy learning.